Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So my agenda for coming up in this YouTube channel, as you already know, I'm an English learner. I do upload videos on English language. So today I've just chosen one cue card for speaking in this video, and that is about describing a time in a day basically that you like. So this is the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video, and I frequently use this kind of method to basically improve my fluency, because that is how I can able to basically speak on multiple topics. That is how basically I just create myself like my mind that I am basically doing some sort of activities to basically be basically a person who can thinking out of the box situation. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So basically in a day, basically there is one time which is I like most, because throughout the day there is a lot of work and a lot of things we are thinking in our mind, but the time when there is nothing in my mind, that is the thing basically I feel like this is the important part of my whole day, and I just need to work on this time. If I am able to basically utilize this time, so I can get a great result from throughout the day, because there is a lot of work which is not related and not important, but still we are doing and we are focusing that energy, but that is not the important thing. So in the morning period of the day, basically I like the most, because that time I feel like I am basically having too much of energy and just focusing on one thing, which is very most important, and that is how I like my day. And I basically, the most important part of my life basically I do on that particular time period, because if you get some sort of time and give that particular area, so that will be a huge result, because throughout the day there is multiple tasks you are do, but there is you cannot able to get the return from that particular task, because there is too much multitasking is happening, and there is a lot of things that are not related to your work basically. So that is how I manage my day, and throughout the in the morning session I don't like any kind of disturbance on that particular time period. So that is about the cue card, and in upcoming days I'm going to basically start this kind of practice session and just try to listen myself more carefully, because that is also most important, which I missed past couple of years, and now I feel like I'm going to do this particular task, which is very important. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find this video this way of practice helpful, so you can subscribe to my channel for more such content. Bye bye, have a good day.